Yo guys, they finally touched down. We had them. Shouts out to the Nike sneakers app. Let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing of the early Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video. Man, you guys already know it's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, come tap into the videos. And I've been going a couple days, actually finishing up, installing the hardwood flooring, painting the entire man cave and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna give you guys an updated product, an updated look of the man cave very, very shortly. So stay tuned for all that, man. Make sure you guys sub up right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. Give you guys an early look at some early heat. And I am super, anticipated actually seeing these, add them to the collection. I was a little sketchy at first, but now we have them here. Let's get right into it. All right, man, so it's probably sound a little bit echoey because I do not have all my drop fronts in here. I'm about to get a futon installed, a whole bunch of different stuff, so don't mind the echo. You guys enjoy the content, you guys enjoy the visuals, and enjoy this early heat. So if you guys do not know, last week on Thursday, did a shock drop for the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. I gave you guys an early video, talking about the shock drop happening, and I kind of messed up saying it was Friday, but it was actually Thursday, and I made an updated video telling you guys it was Thursday. So I was super happy to see a whole bunch of people hit on the shock drop. It was a lot of pairs, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. You guys see it, bro. Y'all see us with the box to the side, all UNC blue box, and of course you have your black Nike up top, and the official colorway reads Air Jordan Retro High OG University Blue, black and white. And we got these bad boys in a size 9, as you guys can see, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Pop open the top, and let's see how these UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s is hitting for in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them beauties out. The Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes. Let's go ahead and pull both of these out of the box real quick. And I wanted to say, first things first, it is scheduled to be like 600,000 total pairs of the Air Jordan 1 UNCs to drop. But if you guys remember last year, it was 500 some thousand pairs of the lost and founds. You guys seen how that release went. There was a lot of errors. It was a lot of people that actually wanted the lost and found Air Jordan 1s, and I feel like the same thing will happen with these UNC Toes. So like I said, don't sleep. Don't think it's gonna be an easy cop. It might be easier than we expected. I was still putting in all your leg work, footwork, putting in all the raffles and all that good stuff, and actually, updating your Nike sneakers app. A lot of people always ask me, how do you know if your sneakers app is updated? Just go to the app store, see if it says update next to it, and if it doesn't, you should be good to go. But it was a lot of error messages from people from this last shock drop on the UNC Air Jordan 1s, and that's just because it's a high demand sneaker. A lot of people wanted it. A lot of people was hip on the shock drop happening, and it's crazy because even Nike themselves put out a message prior to the shock drop happening, having these Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes up on the app for about 15 minutes prior to the shock drop. So it really wasn't even a shock drop. It seemed more like a regular release, just a 15-minute notice. A lot of people didn't know about it, especially if you're a part of the Vintage Squad. You got your notification bell hit, and you follow me over on Twitter where I told you guys exactly what time that shock drop was gonna be happening. But you did get some extra laces with these guys right here, blue laces. It comes in the brown box. They've been transitioning to this lately, and they come equipped with the black laces in there. I can't wait to throw these things on feet. You guys know we gotta do a full review and on feet over these UNC Toes. Look at that UNC baby blue. Super nice. And a lot of people ask me about the leather quality. The leather quality is actually pretty nice. I ain't gonna say it's nothing too crazy, but if I had to compare it to anything, it would be with the Game Royal Air Jordan 1s, but with a little bit more tumbleness effect to the UNC parts of that leather on the heel and even on the toe box right here, as you guys can see. I know you guys see me rocking the OutRank brand right here in that UNC colorway. They have a whole UNC clothing drop that they just did. You guys can use my discount code DaVinci to save on your entire order. I'm gonna link it down below so you guys go tap in, get right for this drop. Very, very dope tee. Everybody was asking where we get my crispy tees from. OutRank brand is the way to go, I'm telling you guys. So yeah guys, do not sleep. Don't be one of the people that thought it was gonna be an easy cop. because like I said, it could turn out to be one of them highly anticipated Jordan 1s, just like the Lost and Founds did last year. Everybody thought that pair was gonna drop in resale value. Everybody thought it was gonna be an easy cop. But like I said, it turned out that it was harder to cop than, you know, what we expected, and the resale just shot up out of nowhere. But that is a, you know, Chicago colorway. But UNC blue, I'm telling y'all, it turns a lot of heads. A lot of people always, you know, tend to grab them. You guys know what this is, Jordan's college colors right here, that UNC baby blue. And they gave it to us with the whole black toe effect. You guys know they've been running with it lately with the lucky greens, the taxis, I believe so. There was another Air Jordan one we got recently that we got with that black toe around the toe box right here, as you guys can see. Just an overall all well executed sneaker, man. I can't wait to actually, you know, dive into the sneaker, actually, you know, rock them, do the own feet, because I already know a couple different pants I'm gonna throw with them. I already know the fit gonna be right with OutRank brand. I keep trying to tell you guys, man, OutRank is a way to go. Every single sneaker release, they have something available for you guys to cop, match with your kicks, and look very fresh. And I actually did an IG reel when I styled some UNC, you know, Jordans from my collection with the UNC drop. I didn't have the UNC ones yet, but just know it's gonna be another look but coming real soon. Go tap into my IG, and I might throw a YouTube short up as well with me actually styling these Air Jordan 1 UNC toes. And I almost forgot to ask you guys, man, who all hit on this shock drop for the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes? If you were able to snag them on the shock drop, you got them a couple of weeks before the drop. So that's super exciting, you know what I'm saying? You can pull them out, rock them before everybody else. You can put them back on ice and let everybody else rock their pair when they do eventually cop them on the 22nd or 28th of July. I keep forgetting the date, it's either 22nd or 28th, but I do know that the black toe lows, which you guys see where they at right there, they did get pushed back to August the 4th. I wanted to come up on YouTube, chop it up with you guys about that, but we've been seeing, you know, pushbacks from Jordan all year long pretty much. And bam, man, there you have it, black toe Air Jordan 1 OG lows. I will be doing a full review and on feed over these guys very shortly. I really love this sneaker right here, man. It kind of, you know, reminisces me of the black toe highs. Only thing is, it was a white tongue on the black toe highs, and these right here have a black tongue. Shouts out to the homie that did, you know, point that out in the early look that we did for these black toe lows earlier. So like I said, pushed back to August the 4th. Kind of a bummer, but it's even perfect for you guys, you know, cop them joints before y'all go back to school and start off with some fresh kicks with the black toe lows. So yeah, man, all in all, I love the sneaker. I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section if you will be going after these when they do drop, or if you already hit on the shock drop. I'm very interested in knowing. Drop them comments down below, drop them fire emojis, all that good stuff, man. And just know that the full review and on feet will be coming very soon for these beautiful UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into another video. It's always greatly appreciated. Stay tuned for our future content. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and always, man, leave a like button every time you slide through a video. It helps the channel grow, and it puts us in the algorithm, man. Again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the support. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.